Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change language in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and you might be looking for how to change your phone language. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over there, you scroll down and then you will find here something say general management. After click over general management, you will find here something say language. After click over language, if you decide to add new language, you can simply click here add languages, and then you will see there is a bunch of preloaded languages by Samsung. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to choose this one, and then it's showing do you like to set this language your default language. So we're going to click here set as default language. Now you can see I have successfully changed my phone language to some unknown language. Even myself I don't know. You might be also having the same issue and you're looking for how to change it to English language. So in order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. First of all, you need to find out the gear icon. If it is in your home screen, that's great. If it is not, you need to jump over in your phone all app section, and then you will see there will be appear this gear icon. So you're going to turn on or touch over there, and it's going to be directly take you to settings section. Here you need to scroll all the way down, and then you will find here something say general management, which is this icon. So which is called general management. So you have to click over on it, and then you need to click over the first one. From here, if it is English here, it's great. If it is not, you can click this plus icon and find out the English language and different regions. So I'm going to choose the English India, and then is a pop-up going to appear. Do you like to set this language as a default? So you're going to click the right side, which is going to be set default language. Now you can see I successfully changed my phone language to some unknown language. Even I don't know, but I successfully change it to English. So in this simple way you can easily change your phone language. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one.